Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 700, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 700, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 700 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 700 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 700 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 700? Angel number 700 signifies spiritual awakening, inner wisdom, and the alignment of one's actions with their higher purpose. The number 7 resonates with spiritual enlightenment and introspection, while the double zeros amplify the energies of potential and divine guidance. Encountering 700 suggests that you're on the right path, and the universe is acknowledging your efforts towards personal growth and spiritual development. It's a reminder to trust your intuition and continue seeking deeper truth. Code Sacred. What's the symbolism of angel number 700? Symbolically, angel number 700 combines the introspective qualities of 7 with the infinite potential represented by 0. The repetition of 0 emphasizes the importance of spiritual journeys and the continuous cycles of life. This number encourages embracing change, seeking inner wisdom, and trusting in the universe's plan. It's a call to release past burdens and focus on spiritual growth, indicating that you're being guided towards a higher purpose. What is the angel number 700 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 700 is a powerful message from the divine realm, urging you to deepen your spiritual practices and connect with your higher self. It signifies that your spiritual journey is unfolding as it should, and you're being supported by the universe. This number encourages meditation, introspection, and the pursuit of spiritual knowledge, reminding you that you're on a path of enlightenment and personal transformation. What does the angel number 700 mean for love? In matters of love, angel number 700 emphasizes the importance of honesty, trust, and spiritual connection. For singles, it suggests focusing on personal growth to attract a partner aligned with your values. For those in relationships, it encourages open communication and mutual spiritual development. This number serves as a reminder that love should be rooted in authenticity and shared growth. What does angel number 700 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 700 indicates a phase of spiritual alignment and preparation for union. It suggests that both individuals are undergoing personal transformations necessary for a harmonious relationship. This number encourages patience, trust in divine timing, and continued spiritual work, assuring that the universe is guiding both towards a meaningful connection. What does angel number 700 mean for manifestation? While not traditionally associated with manifestation, angel number 700 highlights the importance of aligning your intentions with your spiritual path. It encourages focusing on inner desires, trusting the universe, and taking inspired action. This number reminds you that by maintaining a positive mindset and staying true to your spiritual journey, you can attract the outcomes you seek. Astrology.com. How does angel number 700 affect finances? Financially, angel number 700 suggests that your efforts are being recognized and that prosperity is on the horizon. It encourages you to trust your intuition in financial matters and to remain open to new opportunities. This number serves as a reminder that aligning your financial goals with your spiritual values can lead to lasting abundance and fulfillment. What does angel number 700 mean for former relationships? Regarding past relationships, angel number 700 signifies closure and the importance of learning from previous experiences. It encourages forgiveness, self-reflection, and the release of lingering emotional baggage. This number serves as a reminder that letting go of past hurts creates space for new, healthier connections aligned with your spiritual growth. Medium. How does angel number 700 guide your? This number reminds you to trust in your abilities, embrace new opportunities, and remain open to guidance from the universe as you navigate your career path. What are the strengths of angel number 700? The strengths of angel number 700 lie in its emphasis on spiritual growth, inner wisdom, and alignment with one's higher purpose. It fosters introspection, encourages trust in the universe, and supports personal transformation. This number serves as a beacon for those seeking deeper meaning in life, guiding them towards enlightenment and fulfillment. What are the weaknesses of angel number 700? While angel number 700 carries positive messages, potential challenges include the tendency to become overly introspective or disconnected from practical matters. Individuals may struggle with taking decisive action or may become preoccupied with spiritual pursuits at the expense of everyday responsibilities. It's essential to maintain balance, ensuring that spiritual growth complements, rather than hinders, other aspects of life. Angel number 700 is a profound spiritual message emphasizing inner wisdom, personal growth, and alignment with your higher purpose. Comprising the energies of 7 and double zeros, it symbolizes spiritual awakening and infinite potential. The number 7 resonates with introspection and enlightenment, while 0 amplifies these attributes, representing the beginning of a spiritual journey and the universe's boundless possibilities. Encountering 700 suggests you're on the right path towards spiritual development. It's a call to trust your intuition, engage in self-reflection, and embrace the journey ahead. This number encourages you to release past burdens, focus on personal growth, and remain open to the universe's guidance. In relationships, 700 highlights the importance of honesty and spiritual connection. For singles, it advises focusing on self-growth to attract a partner aligned with your values. In existing relationships, it urges open communication and mutual spiritual development. Regarding twin flames, 700 signifies a phase of alignment and preparation, indicating that both individuals are undergoing necessary transformations for a harmonious union. While not traditionally a manifestation number, 700 emphasizes aligning intentions with your spiritual path. It encourages maintaining a positive mindset, trusting the universe, and taking inspired action toward your goals. Astrology.com. Financially, 700 suggests that your efforts are being recognized and prosperity is forthcoming. It advises trusting your intuition in financial matters and remaining open to new opportunities. In your career, 700 encourages aligning your professional life with your spiritual purpose, taking proactive steps, and embracing new opportunities that resonate with your inner values. Regarding past relationships, 700 signifies closure and the importance of learning from previous experiences. It encourages forgiveness, self-reflection, and releasing lingering emotional baggage to make space for new, healthier connections. The strengths of 700 lie in its emphasis on spiritual growth, inner wisdom, and alignment with one's higher purpose. It fosters introspection, encourages trust in the universe, and supports personal transformation. However, potential challenges include the tendency to become overly introspective or disconnected from practical matters. It's essential to maintain balance, ensuring that spiritual growth complements other aspects of life. In essence, angel number 700 is a powerful reminder to trust your inner guidance, embrace spiritual growth, and align your actions with your higher purpose. It's a sign that you're supported by the universe as you navigate your spiritual journey.